In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Roundup in Trade Republic. To do that, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store and make sure to install Trade Republic. You can find them by just searching for their name and clicking on this install in order to install this particular application. Now, once you're in there, I have right here this help center that can help us with actually rounding up the actual Trade Republic. So technically, to activate the roundup, you just need to go over to your profile tab, technically associated right here into the actual application. On your profile tab, you should be able to find your cards and you can just tap the roundup available from there. You can select setup and then choose one stock or ETF for every in-store and online purchase. And the spare change will be withdrawn from your cash balance and invested into an asset of your choice. You can finalize your details in order to make investing much more simpler with this particular setting. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.